So this hot coffee pot thing, coffee maker, I just fucked the shit out of it. Fucking broke it, bitch. And I realized that in here, ladies and gentlemen, we have the hole where the water goes in right there. And then this tube is what causes the water to come out here into the filter and eventually into the this thing here, where you would then be notified or know that your coffee is brewed and ready to go. However, I noticed that in the tube there's some paper towel or napkin inside of it. So that is what has been causing this shit not to fucking work. Surprisingly. It looks like someone probably stuffed it in there on purpose. You know, but that I do not know. There is some clamps here. Right there. That I can somehow take out so it can get cleaned out, unless I can somehow stick my hands in here and use like a paper clip or something to retrieve that piece of napkin out from the inside. But I'm going to try to I don't know, honestly, but that is disgusting. It looks like like some paper towels or something. And this is all like dirtiness inside the tube. And obviously this is the heat plate that allows the water to get converted from cold to hot. And now I hope, this will fucking, like get glued on, maybe some silicone or some shit. You know what I'm saying, ladies? Because I'm not quite the mechanic, but this shit pissed me off so much that I fucking pounded it against this fucking furniture here. Look at that shit. Like, bitch. And it just fucking broke. Went everywhere. Look, I fucking cleaned it. Look at this shit. So yeah, there's definitely something in there. So I'm going to pause this video and hopefully I can, get that out. The other thing I can attempt to do is to add a little bit of water in there. Just a little bit. And I'm going to reconnect this once I clean this of all the water. My hands are a little bit wet. I know this got wet a little bit. Okay, it's good. I'm going to go ahead and click on the button so we can see what's going on in here. Yep. It's definitely... Yep. See that? Hold on, let me look at this a little bit more. So it appears Like it's some like cotton or toilet paper, and that's what's preventing the top of it from getting a lot of water into this secondary tube. That thing right there that's clogging it. Okay, so I basically yanked the shit out of this. And, let's see. Let's see, ladies and gentlemen. What is it? It looks like a cotton ball. Like someone was cleaning it with cotton. So I think this motherfucker did this shit all on purpose, so I could say that I broke his appliance or some shit. Well, I fucking did, motherfucker. I fucking did, and fucking what? And guess what? I fucking fixed it, you fucking maggot. Okay, so now that I got this cotton that was clogging up the water from entering here and cycling through this heater and then going up the pump. Now I am attempting to basically connect it like this one is here. I'm trying to connect this one so the water won't leak out. So it looks pretty good there, honestly. Maybe I can go in a little bit more, but for the most part, looks pretty good. So I'm gonna put alright, so I put it together, and obviously this thing is still broken or whatever since this piece is off. But I turned it on, and I'm hoping, crossing my fingers here, that little cotton ball was the problem. Holy mother of fucking God. The Virgin Mary fucking pussy is the best fucking pussy juice in the world. Can't wait to meet her in heaven, that bitch. It was definitely calcium buildup, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. So I'll go ahead and put this in a thing here. Collect it as evidence. Along with all this other bullshit. Because I fucking care if no one else cares, I hate when people break shit, and are violent. Like you guys fucking know, how my friend built this fucking house, his mansion. What is it? 300 square, 300, 1,300 square feet home. So I kind of know how things work a little bit. Ain't that some shit? So yeah. Look at that. Wow. Good morning, America. Who would like some fucking coffee? So now I know next time. that I don't have to bang this against any type of fucking cabinet furniture. And, to do it professionally, like the professionals do it. And I'm hoping that nothing went in there, because if it did, fuck, I'm fucked. But yeah, it requires some type of tool there. So anyway, yeah, look at that. Like a motherfucking boss. No, I don't know how some fucking cotton got in there, but God works in mysterious ways. Holy mother of Jesus Christ. What the fuck happened here? Well, I forgot that was on this side. And I'm moving the fucking microwave to clean this shit. And I totally forgot. Or I didn't even know that shit was there. But you know what? Fuck it. We came with nothing. We're gonna leave with nothing. Oh my god. I can put my tools back. No longer need these. And I think they were pointing this way for a reason. We fix one thing, another thing breaks. If it's not one thing, it's another thing. Let's just give God 15 minutes of our time. Shall we? A healer lives here. Faith, hope, and love. And the greatest of these is love. 1 Corinthians. What is that? Chapter 13, verse 13. It looked like bees for a second. But yeah, look at that. Water came out. Nice and hot. No worries. I mean, honestly, I don't understand why we don't just use a skillet, heat up the fucking water, and these Folger things can come like in tea bags. Like fucking tea. And then if you don't have one of these things, well, you can just put your coffee on, or like in a mug, and then put a tea bag in there, and then put it in one of the fucking hot plates, like the one I have in my bedroom. Or you guys can maybe, work on my idea, the Smart Cup. Either way, this is working. That was the whole point of this video. Now, this problem. And this is very dangerous since it has to do with glass. Shards everywhere. Now, hopefully no one gets hurt with all this glass shit. Like, seriously? Glass? You stupid motherfuckers can't come up with some plastic? Fuck. I swear. Shit, I stepped on something. What is it? Stepped on glass. Holy macaroni. Fuck, I think I need a break. But hey, Jesus lives. Jesus is Lord, everyone. Fuck yeah. Praise the Lord.